The following video presentation features certified professional bacon wranglers. Do not try these ridiculous stunts at home. Or anywhere else, for that matter.
That's all she wrote. Hey there, I'm Yankel, and this is my semi-trustworthy partner, Emily, Bacon, not related to Kevin, and we're gonna cook some bacon today. She's also our fire safety officer for the day. Show them your fire extinguisher. Excellent, we are good to go. Let's do this. I spend all day cooking bacon. I make it delicious, I make it 6 ways this way, and 7 ways that way, but you know what I don't do? I don't light that on fire. Actually, we're gonna find 6 unorthodox ways to cook it. Blowtorch being the first. Bacon Wrangler, show me some bacon. Oh yeah. In conclusion, fire works, but it takes a really long time. Let's move on. That's a bacon fail. Next, we're gonna try using alcohol to cook bacon. So we're gonna throw it in the pan. Go ahead, Emily, toss it in there. We're gonna dump absinthe all over it. I think that has the makings of a terrific summer cocktail. Here's to you, Vincent.
Safety first, safety first.
Scott's like, I'm ready with the camera. I don't give a what happens. Oh, there we go. Safety first. You know, we might turn this into a dish. Oh.
This is a recipe?
It's a recipe now. Some black licorice, a little brown sugar, cayenne pepper. I think my hand is on fire. Problem solved. Cut! Round 2, bacon fail. Next up, Aquanet. Great for your hair, even better for cooking bacon. Bacon Wrangler, ranking me some bacon. Safety goggles on. All right, well that's that. That was a total failure. Bacon fail. Down with bacon fails. Let's try the next one. Bacon Wrangler. Place some bacon on top of the gunpowder, please. Let's put a little on top, just for good measure. Safety officer says put the gunpowder far away. Don't try this at home. Here we go.
Did it cook the bacon?
It did not. We'd have to I think if we buried it in gunpowder, well, I have more.
Very dangerous.
Shakes her head in consternation. She signed a waiver. That's all she wrote. Bacon fail! I feel like a complete and utter failure, but I am glad for trying. We haven't given up yet on our hopes of cooking bacon so that it is completely inedible and smells disgusting. We're gonna iron bacon. I think this one's gonna work really well. I know we haven't been so successful, but this one's gonna work. What setting do you think we should put this on? Silk, wool, cotton, or linen? Wool it is! Safety first, bacon me. This reminds me of my college days. We used to make fried salami sandwiches using an iron. I do believe it's working.
It's getting flat.
Oh, it's working. I think we have success. It is definitely working.
Glorious bacon. Glorious, glorious bacon.
Oh, it definitely worked. I got called out for not eating that gunpowder bacon. You know what? I feel bad about it. So, momentarily I will eat the iron bacon. Yeah, pretty good. There's nothing wrong with cooking bacon on an iron. Method approved.
Cut.
Nothing has worked so far except the iron. I have very high hopes for this moment. That looks pretty good. Definitely an upgrade.
Indeed.
Let's make some noise. That worked so well. Now we're gonna eat. It's breakfast time. Let's do it. You ready?
Yum.
All right. Oh, wow. Super crispy.
Smells delicious.
That is really, 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 really good. Well, that was awesome and a little bit crazy, and we did it 6 crazy ways. 2 of them worked, the rest of them didn't. Who cares? The next time we're gonna go bigger. So you know what? On behalf of ButcherBox, I'm Yankel. This is Emily Bacon. We'll see you in the next one.